My name is Tobias Nordström. I'm a clinical urologist in Stockholm in Sweden, and my position in the Scientific Congress Office is focusing on screening and trials in progress. There's an exciting trials in progress session that will be covering both the oncological part like prostate cancer, it's non-muscle invasive bladder cancer, and muscle invasive bladder cancer, but also covering benign diseases, and we see this is super exciting data coming out. Session on prostate cancer screening, and this is really exciting. But prostate cancer screening is so heavily discussed. We now see beneficial data coming out, so we're both seeing how we can organize screening, and that goes also over how prostate cancer screening actually performs also with medium-term follow-up, and this creates a nice situation for both clinicians and also stakeholders for decision-making. So the prostate cancer screening session will be very interesting, both for clinicians in order to how to perform PSA testing and early detection of prostate cancer, but it will also be informative for how we can organize screening programs like in the pre-EAU setting that EAU is supporting, for example. So I'm interested in prostate cancer screening, and now we're really seeing progress in this area. So I think this Congress will be vital in order to keep you updated, but also see the bright future that lies in early detection of prostate cancer.